Hey there, gamers! Are you ready to level up your mobile gaming experience? Today, I'm super excited to share with you my thoughts on the incredible ASUS TUF Gaming F16 laptop. With a rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, 77, this beast of a machine has stolen my heart, and I think it can steal yours too. First things first, let's talk about the power under the hood. This baby is powered by an Intel Core i5 processor 13450HX, which means it's got some serious muscle to tackle demanding games and tasks with ease. But what does that even mean? In plain English, this processor is like a super efficient engine that helps your laptop run smoothly and quickly, so you can get back to gaming ASAP. But the real showstopper here is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 laptop GPU with a Max TGP of 115W and NVIDIA Advanced Optimus. Now, I know some of these acronyms might sound like gibberish, but trust me, it's worth understanding what they mean. The Max TGP stands for Maximum Total Power, which basically means how much power this GPU can handle. In simple terms, it means you can expect a smooth gaming experience without any overheating issues. Now, let's talk about the display. Oh boy, is this thing a visual treat. You've got an FHD plus 165Hz display with 100% sRGB color, which translates to super sharp visuals that'll make your games look and feel like they're right in front of you. And what does adaptive sync even mean? It's basically technology that helps reduce lag and stuttering, making for a silky smooth gaming experience. You won't notice any jarring or jerky movements, just pure, unadulterated fun. But wait, there's more. The TUF Gaming F16 is built with military-grade durability in mind, thanks to MIL-STD 810H testing standards. What does that mean for you? It means this laptop can handle the toughest conditions without breaking a sweat. You can toss it around, expose it to extreme temperatures, and still get top-notch performance. Talk about tough. Now, let's talk about cooling, something I always worry about in laptops. The TUF F16 has got it covered with second-gen arc flow fans, full-width heatsink, and full-width vent, which all work together to keep your laptop running cool and quiet. You won't even notice the fans when you're gaming or watching videos. Alright, let's talk about storage, because who doesn't love having plenty of space for their games? This baby comes with 16GB of DDR5 memory and a snappy 512GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD. With this much memory, multitasking becomes a breeze, so you can have multiple tabs open without any issues. Last but not least, let's talk about the design, because aesthetics matter too. The TUF Gaming F16 has that classic TUF logo embossed on its sleek cover, which looks super stylish and understated. It's like they say, form follows function, and this laptop is no exception. So there you have it, my in-depth review of the ASUS TUF Gaming F16. If you're looking for a powerhouse mobile gaming laptop that can handle anything you throw at it, look no further. Head on over to the link below to check out the best price and start your gaming journey today. Trust me, you won't regret it. This laptop is an absolute beast of a machine, and I'm confident it'll become your new favorite gaming companion. Happy gaming!